Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are gonna, I haven't posted for a while now and I'm acting like I have been very consistent, but that does not matter cause we are gonna do a color grading video today. So we are gonna learn how to do halation, bloom, hazy style video, whatever you wanna call it. Take your clip, go to effects and search for channel blur. When you have channel blur, just put it on there and go to effects control. You see this red blurriness? Yeah, increase that amount and you will get kind of a halation. Not 210, like something about 30 or maybe 50, less than 50. When I uncheck this button, you can see the difference. The red color has faded out. So there's another way you can do this. Make a copy of it. These both are stock, by the way. There are no effects. This effect is turned off. So yeah, make a copy of it. Go to effect, search luma key and then put it on it. Put luma key on this clip. Go here, play with these two settings. First, yeah, uncheck this eye button. Now play with both of these settings until you only have selected the bright part of this video. So as you can see, we have selected the bright part of this video. Search for Gaussian blur. When you have Gaussian blur, just put it on this layer and then increase the blur to like 10. It depends on your clip how much the blur is gonna be, but I am just gonna do what is right for this one. So let me just increase the blur. Okay, 31 seems fine. You can see there's a hazy look in the background in this area. You can see if I turn off this layer, see the difference. Of course, I can increase this glow or haziness just by adjusting this blurriness setting. Like you can see now the glow is more on a face now, on a hair. When I toggle this eye button, you can see where the glow effect is affecting. So I think this is too much, maybe 83, and now you can see this looks very nice now. If you are not satisfied yet, check an adjustment layer, put it over it, open Lumetri colors. In Lumetri colors, go to curve here, select the red one, grab it in the middle and drag it upwards only a little bit. This, when you start seeing a little bit of red tint in your video, yeah, that's when you're gonna stop. Now take the green and slide it upwards as well, but not as much as red, so we can get a yellowish orangish hue. So when I toggle this FX button, you can see how much of a difference we made. And if we see the stock footage, which looks like this, then we added the glow, then we added the tint, let's say, then we added a tint or hue, and it became like this. With only the tint, it looks like this, and this is without anything. And here you go. This is how you make the effect which is in the thumbnail. So bye bye, take care.